I like this song. That kid looks so small. I don't know, like Muslim thing, man. First of all, I'm Christian, so God bless America. Don't stop. Good morning, Leonidas. Get out. Where is the lid of the bottled water? So you will have big gangbang in that 5-bedroom villa? Jesus. Heck no, man. Heck no, man. I have my mom over. There's no gangbang, okay? Every room a different position for sure, but it's gonna be tiring. Alright, right. First bedroom, master bedroom, whatever. And the next one, whatever. Geophysics. How many hours should I go today? I don't know. Good to be busy. Yep. My heart is. You got me now. You got that sound. You break me down. Hey! Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. Wait. If I got 5-bedroom villas, yeah, might as well just fucking throw a birthday party. Who the fuck I wanna invite? Who? Like, it wasn't the plan. The plan just me, my mom, my little sister, my friend, just like 1 or 2 friends. That's it. It's no more. Man, no, I wait.